The attached sheet shows the result of the year's business. Full stop. You will note that except for the first 2 months, business for the year was good. Full stop. We adopted a new sales policy in March, and since that time we have enjoyed the benefit of our new methods. Full stop. We have had about twice as many sales as in the same months last year. Full stop. We think that this is the best evidence we could have of the value of our new policy. Full stop. I am happy to say that the cut in rates about which I wrote to you in March is now to be put into effect. Full stop. I think that the rate on your house is subject to change on the new basis. Full stop. Your policy should be sent to this office as soon as possible so that you may have the benefit of the reduced rate. Full stop. We had no doubt that you could use them, but we should not have shipped them without first writing to you. Full stop. If you wish, they may be sent back to us and we shall cancel the charge. Close.